to your speech. You can put, as we did with the Chinese, as you've seen, they sprays and wash you with ganses. But man has to learn that he is responsible to use the strength of his soul to cleanse his physicality from criminal activities to viruses. The day of judgment is with the soul of the man from now on. Every step to protect yourself and to judge what I do does not harm to my physicality and to those who I'm responsible to for their physical and the soul life. How do you do it? Go back to your cup of man. And stand in front of it. And in so many ways, you cannot put the cup of man this way and you stand in front of it this way, or you lie down and put a cup of man this way. A man has to be a man to stand the day of judgment in front of himself. I explained in the teachings in past days, you set a cup of man in the structure of the man. The soul of the man and the soul of the physicality of the man. And you stand the man with his soul and a weak physical condition and allow the transformation. As I was explaining to my son, there's a different way what you get when you whip the white of an egg with the egg, or with a yolk or without the yolk, and how you mix it with a fork or with the electric mixer. This is what you have to learn. Stand in front of the cup of man as a man, not as a dead man. Or try to understand what this means. In so many ways, I gave you the secret to overcome Corona 3 weeks ago.